Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2018. The session is May-June. This is question number 6. We'll be graphing coordinates, drawing tangents, labeling inequalities and solving quadratic equations. So let's start. The question says complete the table for y equal to x squared over 2 minus 3x plus 2. Then we're given a table over here. We have to find the values of y here and here. So let's find them. Let's plug minus 1 into this equation right here. So minus 1 whole squared over 2 minus 3 times minus 1 plus 2 gives us 5.5. Let's find the value of y for the second value of x, which is 7. So 7 squared over 2 minus 3 times 7 plus 2 gives us 5.5 again, 5.5. The next part of the question says draw the graph of y equal to x squared over 2 minus 3x plus 2 for x being minus 1 to 7. So let's plot these values. Minus 1 and 5.5 is going to be here. Okay. The next value is 0 and 2. 0 and 2 is going to be here. I hope this is visible. The next value is 1 and negative 0.5. 1 and negative 0.5 is going to be here. The next value is 2 and negative 2. 2 and negative 2 is supposed to be here. Okay. The next value is 3 and negative 2.5. 3 and negative 2.5 is supposed to be, one second, it is supposed to be here. The next value is 4 and negative 2. 4 and negative 2 is supposed to be here. Then it's 5 and negative 0.5. 5 and negative 0.5 is supposed to be here. Once again. Then it's 6 and 2. 6 and 2 is going to be over here. Okay. And the last value is 7 and 5.5, which is supposed to be over here. Okay. The part says draw the graph. So let's draw the graph. I'll try my best to draw a smooth curve. Let's see. So we start from the top point over here and we go all the way down like this. Okay, up till now it's smooth, but let's see if we can complete the graph smoothly. So we go from this point all the way back to this point right here. Excellent. Oh, this is a smooth graph. Now this next part says by drawing a tangent estimate the gradient of the curve at x equal to 1.5. 1.5 is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 second. I'm making a mistake. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it's supposed to be over here. So let's draw a tangent at this point and let's see what our gradient is. 1 second. Yeah, this looks good, better. So let's draw a tangent like this. Barely touches it. 1 second. Let me make sure that the tangent actually touches this graph. 1 second. Should look perfect right here. So we draw a tangent there. Now it touches it. Third, we take out this value and this value of x and y. The coordinates at this point are negative 1 and 2. The coordinates at this point are 1 second, it is going to be 1 3 0 1 2 3 3 4. Okay, so 3.4 and negative 4. So let's find the gradient. The formula for the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is negative 4 minus y1 is 2 over 3.4 minus 1. Let's see what this is equal to. Sorry. Minus 4 minus 2 divided by 3.4 plus 1. This is equal to negative 1.4. Negative 1.4. This is our gradient, negative 1.4. Okay, let's move on. The next part of the question says complete these inequalities to describe the range of values of x when y is greater than or equal to 0. That means they have asked us to find the values of x where y is greater than or equal to 0. It's one of this is at this point, the other one is at this point right here. Why are the values of x at these points? Because y is supposed to be greater than this line over here, the x-axis. So the value of x at the first point of intersection is 0.8. So we write 0.8 because x is supposed to be lesser than 0.8, and the next value of x is going to be 5.2. X is supposed to be greater than 5.2 for y to be positive. 5.2. Okay, let's do the next part. On the same grid, draw the line 4y plus 3x equal to 12. First of all, let's convert this equation into a standard equation, which would look like this. Y is equal to negative 3x plus 12 over 4. I hope this is correct. Okay, so what do we do next? We draw a small table to find the values of x and the values of y, so that we have 3 points so that we can draw a straight line. Let's choose the values of x to be 0, 1 and 2. What do we get when we plug in 0? We get 3 times 0 is 0 plus 12 is 12 over 4, which is 3. And this is going to be negative 9 over 4, which is going to be, positive 9 over 4, which is going to be 2.25. Okay, I hope these values are visible. Then the next one is going to be 2, 3 or 6. 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. Let's plot these values, 0 and 3. 0 and 3 is supposed to be, 0 and 3 is supposed to be over here. The next value is 1 and 2.25. Okay, this might be a trickier one, but let's see, 1 and 2, 2.5 is supposed to be over here. The next value is 2 and 1.5. 2 and 1.5 is supposed to be, it is supposed to be over here. Let's draw a straight line connecting these 3 points. I think one of the values is out of place, but we'll try our best to make it fit. Excellent. So let's draw a straight line passing through these points. This one looks a bit odd. I don't know why, but it is supposed to be at this point. Why is it over there? 2.25. Oh, I made a mistake. The value in the middle is not supposed to be over there. It is supposed to be over here, because 2.25 is over here. No, it is supposed to be over here. My bad once again. 1 second. Yeah, now let's draw a straight line. This is perfect. Let's draw a straight line passing through these points. So it is going to go like this. Okay, the points of intersection are at this point right here and at this point right here. Okay, now we've drawn the line. Let's do the next part. The x coordinates of the points of intersection of this line and the curve are the solutions of the equation 2x squared plus ax plus b equal to 0. Find the value of a and the value of b. Okay, 1 second. So the value of a and b can be found. Let's look at the x values of this. So the first x value is negative 0.4. The next x value is 4.9. 4.9? Yeah, this is 4.9 over here. So let's use these values. One of the values of x was negative 0.4. The other value was 4.9. So how do we use these? X is actually equal to negative 0.4 and it is equal to x is equal to 4.9. So if we need to convert these into factors, they will look like this: x plus not negative, just positive 0.4. That's one of the factors, and the other factor is x minus 4.9. These multiplied by themselves should give us 2x squared plus ax plus b. But one thing that is missing is a 2 over here. Why do we put a 2 over there? Because x times x is x squared, but we need to convert this into a 2x squared equation. So let's multiply the factors by themselves. So x times x is x squared, x times negative 4.9 is negative 4.9x plus 0.4x minus, let's see what we get, 0.4, 1 second, 0.4 times 4.9, that gives us 1.96, 1.96. This should be equal to 2x squared plus ax plus b. So let's simplify this equation. X squared minus, what do we get? Negative 4.5x minus 1.96 equal to 2x squared plus ax plus b. Then we multiply the 2 with the entire equation. We get 2x squared minus 9x minus, let's multiply this, 1.96 times 2 gives us 3.92. 3.92 is equal to 2x squared plus ax plus b. So if negative 9x is equal to ax, a should be equal to negative 9. That is one of the values, so we write negative 9 over here. The other one is b equal to negative 3.92, or we can also write 3.9. So the value is negative 3.9 for b. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of this entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.